gamers, ako nga pala siya yan. Nagbabalik dito sa... Wait boy, sorry, nakalimutan kasi Aki pala nandito. So, dito na yung final video natin. Kasama si Aki kasi pupunta na siya sa Bulacan bukas.
Kasi,
Vacation!
Kasi gusto ko mag-meet si mami ko eh.
Yeah, her mom. She miss her mom.
Ba't pala ako dito?
Yo, are you dead?
Yeah.
Mariben.
So bad at you guys.
Are you watching?
Yes, I'm watching this, bro.
I can't. Narinig mo yun? Lego yun. Lego sound yun, bro. One hit na lang ako. One hit na lang ako, bro. One hit na lang ako. Yato! Patay! Ano ba yan?
Ayarin ko pa rin mamami.
Ha?
Wala guys. Wala yun.
Ano? Ha?
Lego ko. Gusto nyo ako.
Gusto mo ng ganito, Caroline?
Wait. Sabi namin.
I gotta run! Run in! Ano yun? What is this? Oh my god. Yo! No way. You can... Yo! Pwede ko bilhin yung nebula! Ang hari ng nebula. Joke lang. Not just my problem. Okay, iba na yung sword ko at sa akin pumunta. Please don't give it back. I said don't give it back. Thank you very much. I'm literally at the bacon guy that sends me at this. I'm sorry.
Yung bacon, pinatay niya ako.
Guys, don't tell, okay? Don't tell Aki. Guys, kung kinita nyo yung bacon pinatay sa akin, patay nyo yun para.
Kapag alam mo ba kung sino nakita sa'yo?
Ako. Hindi ko naman alam, bro. 1v1 kasi to. Oy, wag! Aray, sorry. Sorry na po. Sorry na po. Ano ba gusto mo? Guys, pag na-create talaga sila doon ng trade, dito ng trade, bibigay ako sa Tito.
Don't call me Tito Clay. Call me Aki.
We know! I know! Ilan na yung level mo? Na? My dad, 1985. My dad. Push up! Trying focus.
Yan.
Aray ko! Ano to? Deadpool at... Uy, anong ginagawa? Tokin, pag nabili ko talaga yung nebula, magkikita ko ng revenge shop. Yo, what happened? Double...
Parang ako nag-save. Nakikita ko sa amin.
Oh, yeah. Oh no. I'm only one left. And this is half. And this is one. Yeah.
I was lagging. If you can see that recording.
Bro, my hair.
Bro, don't talk like that, guys.
Not just my problem. Not just my problem. Dead or alive. My dad, 1985. My mom, 1985. My squirrel, 1985.
Nakita akong patik. I didn't fall.
Saan perfect hiding spot mo? My dad, 19... Ah! Oh my god! Oh, you almost killed.
Oh my god! You almost killed. You attacked me.
You die. That's not perfect hideout, bro. Hey, chill. I have only one I have half.
One.
Patay na ako. Si guys, patay. I'm dead at the sun. At the son of the... Ala, ano ba pangalan nito? Aanak. Aanak. Ano pangalan niya? Uy, may merchant dito to kayo. Pwede tayo bumili ata.
Saan yung ganito mo? Yan ah. Saan yung ganito mo? Working.
That is my problem.
Dito pa yung no?
No, ano?
Line dot.
Hala, pwede ko itong bili, no?
Sorry guys, that was my dad.
Yeah, that's...
Don't mind that, guys.
Yeah, don't mind that. Don't mind that.
Pooping
Uy.
on your shorts.
You're pooping on your shorts. You're pooping on your shorts. Yes! Wait lang. My dad, 1985. Sorry guys. Wait. Sorry about that noise.
Saan charger mo?
Hindi ko din alam. And I really don't. Can't even. Oh, okay. Here. Oh, I think I can.
Bakit? Pagkabit ka na sa mo.
Yeah, wait.
Ay, matutulog na. Wala tayong TV, hindi ako magbubukas ng TV.
I know. It's not the same as it was. But I was
So that's my I'm gonna practice. Boy. Good night. Good night. Joke lang, hindi pa ako mag-leave. Yeah. Oh my god, namamatay na ako. I only have 1 minute. Let me end this. Please. Okay. So guys, dito na lang sa tapos ng video nito. Kung gusto nyo pa ng part 2 sa Blade Ball, huwag nyo kakalimutan to like and subscribe and share of course.